Ministry and Spirituality Centers for Humanity. Mission Statement. Ministry and Spirituality Centers for Humanity Incorporated, the purposes for which the corporation is organized are to receive and administer funds and property, and to operate exclusively for a charitable, scientific, and educational purpose within the meaning of Section 501(c)(3) of the Internal Revenue Code, and, in particular, to lessen neighborhood tension and combat community deterioration by repurposing vacant properties and alleviating blight, providing relief to the poor and distressed or the underprivileged by providing educational and vocational training to the unemployed, underemployed, and other at-risk individuals, lessen the burdens of government, and combat community deterioration by assisting families in need to obtain adequate housing, to provide scholarship funds, and promote education by housing symposiums, workshops, seminars, and conferences to teach the importance of spirituality and divinity, sustainability, peace, and humanitarian development worldwide, including to empower and to inspire others by hands-on skills training from the item numbers 1, 2, and 3 of this statement. To acquire, own, dispose of, and deal with real and personal property and interests therein, and to apply gifts, grants, bequests, and devise and their proceeds in furtherance of the corporation. To do such things and to perform such acts to accomplish its purposes as the Board of Directors may determine to be appropriate and which are not forbidden by Section 501(c)(3) of the Internal Revenue Code, with all the power conferred on nonprofit corporations under the law of the State of Michigan.